Honda's Enduro is a perfect scrambler to go off the limits. This is a go-anywhere adventure machine. The previous concept did appeal to a lot of bike enthusiasts previously. This time around, the Japs will be looking to push their limits, envisioning better off-road ability. As per online renderings, the 2018 Honda Enduro concept bikes will consist of lightweight chassis and a sturdier-looking appeal. As per speculators, the chassis will make use of high-tensile steel and swing arm for its construction. Honda aims to boost up the compliance and strength of their latest scramblers, and this chassis is adequate evidence of it. Furthermore, the back-end shock suspension will mount to a reinforced swing arm. As per images, the 28-spoke and 1 inches of die-cast aluminum hubs are looking stunning and will surely offer wonderful maneuverability and off-terrain riding experience. With the looks of it, this new Honda Enduro 2018 bikes will have an inverted telescope offering 3.5 inches of suspension travel, wider off-terrain tires for superior traction and springy frontal suspension and damping rates for absorption of rough bumps, and excellent riding comfort is also the expectancy. 1. Standard specs, namely suave ignition map and electric start, along with kickstart as backup. 2. A restyled cylinder head hanger and better off-road suspension settings. 3. Frontal brakes offering better halts and wave patterning for lessening weight. 4. Light factory skid plate acting as an adequate lower frame shield for the engine. 5. Moreover, engine mode select button for Enduro bikes to dial in on engine power delivery from standard, smooth and aggressive as per road conditions. 6. The fresh exhaust system is having street legal regulations for spark and noise arrest. Forging aluminum side stand and Dunlop GMAX AT81 tires are also highly feasible with up-approaching Honda Enduro 2018 bikes. The 2018 Honda Enduro concept has a funny way of transpiring into production models within a year's time or two. The reason is high demand of fans to own one. That will pretty much stay intact this time around as well. As per online renderings, the new series of Honda Enduro 2018 models will undergo fresh headlight assembly. The main draw for its fans will be its Dermagnoni exhaust system, which does appear utilitarian in many ways. Overall, Enduro concept of scramblers will surely entice more enthusiasts into the cult of adventure. The basic concept behind Honda's Enduro series is increasing overall power-to-weight ratio. But that is not the end of it all. The idea is to manufacture these models for extreme motocross riding. The Japs are working on a steeper chassis to engine angle, increasing drivability, a higher crank angle and compression ratio. It's all about optimum low-end torque for monstrous launches. Insiders also reveal that the new 2018 Honda Enduro concept series will include lighter aluminum block engines with this Enduro series. As for other innovations, only time would tell. The 2018 Honda Enduro concept bikes embody the perfect scramblers, and with their fresh assembling and redesigning, the Japs will surely try and do an encore. The 2018 Honda Enduro concept will likely hit dealerships by the end of 2018 or at least the start of 2019. Pricing details are inconclusive as of now, so stay tuned for further updates.